right now. Now, what did you ask me?
I said, do you think I'm a good sister?
No, that's not what you said. No, for real. What did you just ask me?
I asked you nothing.
What did you just ask? What did you just ask me?
Are you a good parent?
Okay. And I'm looking busted, but my child just asked me, Mom, do you think that I would be a good parent? Like, what? Why are these kids even think you're 10? You're 10.
Actually 11.
Bye. Go to school. I'm sorry. I'm just so tripped out right now. Like, we don't even understand that these kids' way of thinking nowadays is just completely different. Like, it's changing every day. You're only 10, you know? And I know where that came from. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was driving her to school, of course, and I guess she was just like looking at the parents, like walking their kids, holding hands and stuff, walking them up to, up to the school. And it just popped in her mind, like, I wonder if I would be a good parent. And I could have told her, of course you would be a good parent. You would be a great parent. But why am I having this conversation with you at the age of 10? Like, I don't want to have this conversation with you until you hit 30, girlfriend. Like, let's not bring this back up. Thank you. E-I-Co? Okay. Okay. So, what do you want to eat? Churches? That sounds good. Okay. Churches it is.
We get addicted really easily.
We really do. So, yes or no? No?
We gotta turn this yes or no. What do you want to do?
I want some chicken. You want some chicken?
Wait.
Okay, so I must say I almost lost my damn mind. I mean, y'all really gonna close down our churches like that? I mean, that's how y'all want to roll. I hope y'all like just shutting this down and like rebuilding us a new one, a bigger one, a better one. Cause y'all know we not having this, right? I mean, I'm just letting y'all know. We ain't having this. So I hope y'all made the right decision. And I hope we see another churches on this street. Let me tell y'all, they did this so slick and so quick. We ain't even know what hit us when we rolled up and seen all these boards on the window. Like, I wanted to kick in every last board that's up on this building. Like, I ain't even playing. Because that's how much I wanted some churches today. But okay. Now we know why when we came the other day, why they said they didn't have any ice. We just couldn't understand it. We was like, how are you churches and you don't have any ice? But, you know, it's all clear now. They was closing down.
Okay, so I'm gonna try this thing called looking at the camera and not looking at myself.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see if this works, because I feel pretty stupid right now looking at this little black circle. Okay, so you guys saw that I was looking in the camera, which makes it look like I'm looking at y'all, versus looking at myself, which I'm doing right now. So y'all let me know if y'all can see a difference. Cause I look. Yeah, I guess I look like I'm looking at myself.
Like that.
Is you even talking to us, bitch? Today was a pretty interesting day. I wonder what tomorrow will bring.